The forest burned with a fury that turned day into night. Amid the smoke, cats and dogs darted through ash, their paws scorched, eyes wide with fear. Hunger and exhaustion pressed in, yet they clung to each other, refusing to give up. Suddenly, voices broke through the chaos, neighbors armed with blankets and gentle hands. One by one, the animals were carried to safety, hearts pounding with relief. In the shelter of caring arms, hope returned. Their scars became symbols of resilience, a reminder that compassion can spark new beginnings, even from the ashes.